in this video is in continuation, girls. We have created project. Now that window dialog box in which you created the class of this package, we created package first. In the same, you created the class within the package. One class I have created only. You can create as many as you want. Okay, now close that window, then this window will be there, okay, at the background. Okay, so now go to new class. Now what you have to do, you have to use the package you have created, example package you have created. Within that you have written class hello. Now you have to use the method of hello, display method you have to use in your program. So you will be creating a new program, and in that program you will use your package example class hello function method display. Okay, so after closing that window in which you have written the class hello, close that. This window will be there. Practice will not be there, but this window will be there. Okay, create a new class by clicking on this new class I have created with the name practice. Okay, similarly create new class as you normally create. Now click on it, double click, write your program. It's a simple program. In this I have imported package example. Okay, as we have created the package with the name example, so import this package first. Import is a keyword to import a package, include a package in your program. So import package name dot asterisk for all. We have written just a single class, but you can write so many classes also. So I have written asterisk over there for all the classes of example package, semicolon. Similarly we are using as we use in other cases of Java packages. Class practice, I have created class with the name practice. So class practice, public static void main. Now this program is to show the use of the package we have created, how to implement that package function or class. Okay, so in this package we have written class hello. We have created object of hello as we will be using the method of hello class, that is display. So first we have created object of hello with the name ob equals to new hello ob dot display. This method and class is not written in this program anywhere. Okay, as this method is in the class hello and hello class is in package example we created before this. Okay, so this is program to show how to use package you created under BlueJ environment platform. Okay, so import, again I am explaining you import keyword to include this package you created on BlueJ platform. Then class function, within function object creation of the class of package example, that is hello. Then with the help of object you are calling method display. And if you remember, in display we have written welcome to my first package. Okay, now compile this class. No syntax error is there. Close. Now we will run main method. What should be displayed? We have called display of hello class. In that we have written welcome to my first package. Welcome to my first package. Okay, so from here we are running the method of package we have created with the name example. Okay, this is the way how you can create a package under BlueJ platform. Okay.